Alright guys, so what I'm doing today is I'm actually taking these Underglow LEDs. I want to put them behind my TV. And you could put them anywhere you would like to, but I'd like to convert this from a 12-volt car plug-in to a wall plug-in with whatever common stuff I have around the house. You don't have to have solder and an iron. In fact, I may be an electrical engineer, but I barely do this, and that's not something to be proud of. But it's a very hard skill to learn and to perfect. That's why welders are such high demand. So I took this old computer charger, I guess, and on the back you read what the output is. The input, obviously, it's going to be a wall plug-in, 110 volts to 240 volts, and the output is 12 volts. Now, if you have anything less than 12, there is one of these that are 5 volts, then you will not be able to power this because this takes 12 volts. And I've tried, so it won't work out. 5 volts is basically what your phone gets charged on. Pretty much anything USB is 5 volts. So, first things first, we want to test this. We're going to go ahead, I already cut the wire. There's a positive, here's the negative, the ground wire. Nice that these ones are already labeled. This side is positive, this side's negative, that's positive, that's negative, and I can just pick one and stick it. So let's go ahead and test it. If I can get this wire to stand still. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Alright. It's plugged in. As you can see, it has a blue light on it. Right there. Let's put that positive and the negative together without touching each other. As you can see, the lights work. Now I do have another set of these and they're white. I just don't know where they went. I absolutely love the white one. They're my favorite. So that works because it's 12 volts. Obviously it was going to work. Just making sure the lights themselves work. Now what we want to do is we want to solder. Now before I get into that, I have some kits available. They are called Raspberry Pi, and it's really awesome. It's basically a computer that doesn't have any programming on it. If it does, it'll be Raspberry, which means that you can access it from a screen and a mouse. That didn't go well. And ask it to do whatever you want it to do. If you want an arcade machine, you can build it out of Raspberry Pi, because Raspberry Pi is basically nothing more than a computer. Alright. Sorry about that. I don't know why that fell. Yes, I'm using an iPhone 8 Plus as my light source because I am in the middle of moving things around. Hell, I will use this shell as my iron holder. Okay, got that ready. So basically what I've learned from my most recent video, I watched somebody hack a PlayStation 1 and mod it. Not like hack it, like you would hack a computer password or something. He was just hacking the physical elements of it. Waiting for this to get hot. But yeah, if you want a Raspberry Pi, let me know. I do have it on eBay right now for a pretty good deal. Cheaper than any other Raspberry Pi. It is a complete set. It includes an SD card, some circuit boards and stuff. You'll really enjoy it. You'll definitely learn a lot. All the Raspberry Pis, if you do put in Raspberry on it, it comes with Minecraft and whatever, so you can do whatever. My original purpose was I wanted to build an electrical system for my car, like an alarm system, and kind of like a fob system. Waiting for it to melt. I probably shouldn't do this right under the fire alarm. I may need a new one of these, by the way. This is the other reason I haven't been using it. Barely works anymore. Ah, there we go. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the positive on positive. Cool beans. Now I'm gonna get the negative. The negative. A little hard time. Alright, it is on. I don't know why I'm trying to blow this out. It's not a fucking torch. Alright, so let's not burn ourselves. That'll be really nice. Alright. Seems to be working. Let's go ahead and plug it in. See what we got. Then after this, we're gonna protect it. We're gonna wrap it. Like this. Plug this over here. Boom. Lights. So that's how you guys do it. You can obviously extend it as far as you want to go. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and wrap it. Maybe grab something. Usually when I say let's wrap it, I'm talking like freaking car wrapping vinyl and shit like that. A few times I've ever said wrap and not meant car vinyl. Alright. Here we go. long as I can keep them separated initially, then I can reinforce it and make it stronger. I am not shy to use tape. I love tape. By the way, guys, I don't know if you're interested or not, but I will be having a live stream coming up September 14th, I believe, for the new Call of Duty Blackout. I received a code. I actually won it, and so I figured, hey, maybe I can boost my channel and get some people to watch it. I know very few people that don't like video games. The people that I do ended up being like parents of some sort, so if you're a parent out there watching this, I'm sorry. I'm not perfect for you, but I am perfect for your son, so definitely give me a shout out to your son so that he'll watch my stuff. Now the reason that I'm going so far up here is so that it doesn't bend so much. Because as you know, in the iPhone cords and all that, they have a huge problem where if you bend them too much, then the wire comes loose. I want to prevent that. Now I'm definitely going overboard. In fact, I don't think I've ever wrapped anything this much. But I know how freaking fragile this stuff is. That was a pretty good solder job for not having done a solder in a very long time. Alright, let's make sure it still works. Absolutely. Let's go put it behind the TV. Now I can take that knowledge, and that part where it's green, I can go ahead and extend it to the other side, solder it, any direction I need to go to cover wherever I want, whether it be behind my PlayStations, one of my 3 computers, or my screens, or whatever. And it still looks great.